So, what's up guys? Brand new video. I'm gonna be dropping down a breakdown of NQ. I just got done a workout here in the apartment gym. I just want to tell you guys that ever since we came to Florida, we've been killing it. We've been so focused, which was the reason why we wanted to move here. I mean, I wanted to move here for other reasons, but I knew being here would just have me locked in, you know, no distractions. Total P&L in the past 2 weeks has been 1.4, 1.5 grand. I'm gonna try to show you the proof of that on Tradeovate or Top Step. And yeah, you know, the proof is in the progress. I'm going to show you guys so far what's been going on. Past 2 weeks has been amazing. And yeah, so we're in here wrapping up my workout, about to do some cardio, and I'll see you guys on the charts. Remember, if you guys ever want to learn, email, Instagram in the description. We're teaching everything from square one, or if you want to fine tune your trading, or if you want to get funded, right? We're not implementing ICT concepts. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the breakdown of how we made 700 in about 3 minutes. Craziest trade ever. Deuces. So this is my top set account. Again, if you guys want more proof, that I'm not going to show you because I don't want to show you guys too much. I don't really care what y'all think. You're going to think I'm lying. But you can literally see right here that the balance for this day right here was 48,600, and where did we end up at? 5,284. So literally 1.7K right here within the last 2 weeks, extending our winning streak to 3 weeks. So, you know, we're so happy about that. And, you know, this is literally it. The past 2 weeks have been amazing. I'm going to show you guys the exact breakdown right on here. I'll show you guys. Okay, so back to a good old breakdown that we haven't done in a little bit, right? I've been dropping vlogs, but, you know, I kind of want to do a mix and match of both, or kind of put them in between together. Okay, so what do we have coming into NQ, right? And what was this trade so beautiful? It's because of all the confluences. Okay, we have a bearish order flow, right, where we can see all these highs just being left behind, okay? Bearish order flow, we can see price dropping. On top of that, we have price where we can see price dropping. On top of that, we have price creating this swing low that creates an inefficiency in the market, right? So what we have to do is mark off that equilibrium level, because price always wants to balance that level out, right? Remember, price wants to do a couple of things: balance equilibrium, find liquidity, generate liquidity. Okay, so price makes a swing low, and you guys know, right, in phase one, you know, basic market structure, right? Price is in a downtrend, creates a lower low. We are in a bearish order flow, and price starts to range. And this is what we're going to take note of. Price starts to range. But what's funny about this range is that we have so much liquidity in here, right? We have so much liquidity in here to push the market the other way with our bias, right? With our trend. So if we have a bearish order flow and we're in this level where we have so much liquidity, we have previous weekly high, previous daily high, we have the equilibrium level, right? Then we're going to try to capitalize off this area, right? This is where there's liquidity, because price wants to find liquidity. This is where liquidity can be drawn at for price to move downwards. And on top of that, we have our good old indicator, this moving average, which right now we're retesting the 50s. So we have so many confluences. This is an A+ setup. This is a setup where you send the house on. Nah, I'm just kidding. But what do we have here? We're going to have a classic turtle soup entry, right? We're going to have a classic turtle soup entry where price is going to break above and fake out, right? And you know what type of traders are going to be caught here, all right? And when that happens, we now want to go down to the lower time frame after price reaches our levels, right? And basically find some fair value gaps and inefficiencies that we can take this trade on. So we can see right here, this is the first one, right? We can see right here, this is the first run right here. This is a fair value gap where price respects it, and then price absolutely drops. Price literally drops. Where did we target? We targeted the lows. Sorry about that. Okay. So what did we target? Right? Where do we target? And we're going to target the lows of this range right here. We're going to get rid of this to stop confusing us. And this is the trade right here, right? Price again reaches this level. We get that classic turtle soup entry. Go down to the lower time frames and find that fair value gap. You can find the fair value gap right in here, right? Price then respects the fair value gap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. You could have entered anywhere in there. You could have gone to the 1 minute potentially. And if you wanted to be even more safe, after you enter here, right, you could have entered off that fair value rejection, or if you wanted to wait for that fair value rejection and you wanted to get that level on the M1, but your risk reward wasn't going to be as good, you could take the trade just like that. So I actually have a live video from my iPad that I took of me catching this trade, and I'm going to show it to you guys right here on the screen. All right, so this is basically it, right? This is like right before where I said keep dropping, and literally a second later we hit all targets. We hit all targets right here. We have our fair value gaps, and you can see by the arrows of what we caught. So it was a beautiful trade. Just put it up on the thing. Weeks, and I'm looking currently when I'm recording this video, it's Friday morning, so I'm kind of looking to build on that. But if not, we've secured a 3-week winning streak. You guys see it right there. We're up 17 in the last 2 weeks. And yeah, so that's the breakdown. This is a beautiful trade where you incorporate all these ICT concepts as well as confluences from our own trading. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little breakdown, trying to make it quick. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. That's trade video this week. I told you guys I'm posting consistently. Next week you got another 3 deuces.